Good afternoon to all. I am very proud to share a few thoughts about the prospects and the challenges of online learning we are having today. It is not possible to say the online learning is completely failure or successful. It is just like a coin with two faces. When we are considering prospects, I found first the time. In early time, we need more time for preparing and going to school. In this time we did not want more time. We are sitting on the computer in front of computer or the smartphone. And the other thing I found in second, the money. In earlier time we need more money. In this time we do not want more money. We do not buy new uniform or new dress, or we do not want new bike and do not want best fees. In this online learning, the students have more information in the internet by using more apps in other news. In that way, the other things we also get it. But the online learning has some challenges. I found the first thing it is the damage of our childhood and interaction between friends. A friendship is the thing if a man had want. The other thing I found that the damage of our eyes, brains, by this are caused by the learning in online learning by the electrical applicants. But I prefer school learning. Let me conclude my words. Thank you.